dish. Drying rack is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Made from durable carbon steel, this dish drying rack by Runatol is designed to last. With dimensions of 12.64 inches in diameter, 21.26 inches in width, and 7.2 inches in height, this rack provides ample space for drying dishes and utensils efficiently. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. This countertop-mounted drying rack is not only functional but also stylish. Its versatility allows it to be used as a dish drainer, a utensil holder, or simply as additional storage space in the kitchen. The rack's special features include its durability and the convenience of being removable, making it easy to clean and maintain. Manufactured by Runatol, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, this dish drying rack has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 1,519 ratings. Its popularity is evident as it ranks #3, 111 in K.
Drying rack by SNTD is a versatile and efficient kitchen accessory designed to streamline your dish drying process. Made from durable stainless steel, this drying rack ensures long-lasting performance. Its product dimensions of 12.6 inches in diameter, 22.5 inches in width, and 13.4 inches in height offer ample space for drying various dishware, cutlery, and wine glasses. The sleek white color of this dish rack adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, blending well with any style. It is designed for countertop mounting, providing stability and convenience during use. The rack weighs 3.5 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to move or reposition as needed. One standout feature of the SNTD dish drying rack is its expandable design, allowing you to adjust the size according to your drying needs. This feature enhances flexibility and ensures efficient use of space in your kitchen. The manufacturer, SNTD, has crafted a practical and user-friendly product that meets.
Drying rack is a sleek and functional kitchen accessory that stands out for its high-quality stainless steel construction. With dimensions of 17.5 inches in diameter, 13.5 inches in width, and 5.2 inches in height, this product offers ample space for drying various kitchen items. The silver color enhances the overall aesthetics of your countertop. E1 Life ensures superior quality with this dish drying rack, making it suitable for drying pots, pans, bottles, utensils, dishware, and silverware. Its space-saving design is complemented by features like being expandable, a rotating spout for convenient drainage, and automatic drainage to keep your countertop dry and mess-free. Additionally, the rack is rust-resistant, ensuring durability and longevity. Weighing at 4.53 pounds or 2.06 kilograms, this dish drying rack is sturdy and stable on your countertop. The countertop mount allows for easy installation and guarantees a secure placement. The manufacturer's at
Amazon right now. Number 5. The Kitsure roll-up dish drying rack is a practical and versatile kitchen accessory designed to enhance your dish drying experience. With product dimensions of 5 inches, 17 inches, 2 inches, and a light weight of 1.3 pounds, this rack offers convenience without taking up much space in your kitchen. Manufactured by Kitsure, a trusted name in kitchenware, this drying rack boasts a sturdy construction that can hold a substantial amount of dishes without compromising on durability. The ASIN B0 BKRQRHJT and item model number sink rack make it easy to identify and locate this product. With an impressive customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 2,381 reviews, it's evident that users are highly satisfied with the performance of this product. Its bestsellers. Rank of #36, 684 in kitchen and dining, and #396 in dish racks further solidify its popularity and quality in the market. The Kitsure roll-up dish drying rack has been well-run.
Drying rack is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your kitchen organized and tidy. Made of high-quality metal, this dish rack is built to last and withstand daily use. With dimensions of 16.5 inches in diameter, 11.8 inches in width, and 11.8 inches in height, this rack provides ample space for drying various dishware, utensils, and cups. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, complementing any style. Designed for countertop mounting, the Skill dish drying rack is easy to set up and requires no complicated installation. Its collapsible and adjustable features make it versatile and adaptable to different kitchen spaces. Additionally, the rack is rust-resistant, ensuring long-term durability and reliable performance. As a reputable product from Skill, known for quality kitchen solutions, this dish drying rack bears the part number ITHDR07 and weighs 5.35 pounds. The stainless steel finish gives it a moderate